Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video, first of all, I would like to apologize to you for staying away for so long. It's almost been more than 45 days since my last video was uploaded. That was actually due to the fact that my video editing machine was not of much help to me. So I bought a new one, and with this video editing machine, I plan to stay in touch more than before. The videos will be uploaded more frequently. The pattern of the video upload will be more consistent. So with quality set to the side, let's begin the video with a regular greeting. Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to move your video clips to the track above or to the track below using a keyboard shortcut in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sound interesting? Let's begin by bringing the video onto the timeline. Select the video clip, press and hold Alt and press the up arrow key to move the video clip to the track above and the down arrow key to move the video clip to the track below. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy watching such content, consider subscribing to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.